Now, one of the most impressive things about charting in Excel 2007 is just how easy it is to make your charts look the way you want to. For example, let's refine this particular chart that we've created here. I'm going to click off this chart to demonstrate something. When you click on the chart, you'll notice that you'll have some contextual tabs here called the Chart Tools. This Chart Tools group of tabs contains all of the commands that help you format and refine your chart. Here you have 3 tabs: Design, Layout, and Format. Right now we're going to click on the Design tab, and this is going to be basically everything we need to help us refine our chart. Here you'll see a command button called Change Chart Type. When I click on this command, a dialog box will come up allowing me to select whatever chart type I'd like, so I can change this chart to a line chart without starting over. So now my chart is a line chart. I can change it back by selecting Change Chart Type, Column. OK. The next command that can help you out is the Switch Row/Column command, and this enables you to interchange the row and column axes on the chart. So if I select the Switch Row/Column, you'll notice that something happened. My horizontal axis now represents the years, and my categories are the products. Let's see that again. I have years as the horizontal axis, and my categories are the products. And now I have products as the horizontal axis, and my categories are years. So in this way, you can change your perspective on your chart with just a click of the button. Then you have the Select Data button. The Select Data button allows you to edit your data range after you've created your chart. So I'm going to select this, and you'll see here that I've got a dialog box that lets me select my data source. My chart range right now is A3 through E9. I can click on this cell reference icon, and it's going to allow me to reset my chart range. So instead of that, I want this, just A3 through B9. Oh, I got a message here. It basically says the formula I typed is incorrect. I'm going to press OK, and it's important to note that you'll have to clear out what's in here first. I'm going to press Delete to clear it out, and then click on your cell reference icon. Now I've got a clean range reference. Okay, let's see what happened here on our chart. What I've done is I basically selected only 1 year. So now I've only got 1 year of data here. If I wanted to select 2 years of data, I'm going to press Delete to clear it out. Select a range. And now I've got 2 years of data. Now here's another neat trick. You'll notice that after I select my chart, there's kind of like a blue outline around the range that my chart represents. There are little dots here at the corners of my range. If I grab one of those dots and drag it over, my chart will automatically include the data that I dragged over. And same thing if I want to remove data, I can simply click on this dot and drag the data out of it. The next group here is Chart Layouts. This chart layout group contains a gallery of layout templates that are perfect for beginning Excel users who don't know a lot about formatting charts and can just basically pick and click. I'm going to expand out the gallery, and now I can choose from a different set of layouts. As I click each one, you'll see the chart changing. I especially like this layout 5 because it has a little data table underneath the chart. And again, the layout persists even if you change your chart. So I'll select my chart again, and again in the Design tab, you'll see a group called Chart Styles. And in this group is a gallery of style templates. And again, this is perfect for Excel users who just aren't familiar with formatting styles yet. You can select any one of these pre-made styles and apply that format to your chart. So I'll select this one here. You'll see how the color scheme in my chart has changed to match that style. And as I select each particular style, my chart will keep up. And some of these styles even have a 3D aspect to it. In the Design tab, you'll see a command button called Move Chart. Now this particular button allows you to move your chart to different places without losing the reference to your source data. If I click this button, I'll get a new dialog box asking me where do I want to move my chart. My choices are to move it to a new sheet, its own sheet, or put it into an existing sheet. And in this drop-down box, you'll have all your sheets listed. I want my chart to be on its own sheet. Now when you select this particular option, Excel creates a chart sheet, basically a tab that contains nothing but a chart. I'll select OK here, and you'll see now I've got a sheet or tab dedicated to only this chart. And if you've got 10 or 12 charts, you can actually create one of these for each of your charts so you can scroll through each of the tabs one by one. And you'll notice when you go back to your original spreadsheet, your chart is no longer there. That's because you didn't make a copy of it, you actually moved it. If you needed to move it back, select the chart, move chart, and select which sheet you want the chart to be in. I've got a sheet called Charts. I'm going to press OK, and it moves back. Now as a beginning Excel user, there's really no better way to get up and running with charts quickly than using this Design tab.